Hi friends, today I have got 20 daily useful sentences you can use every day. Let's get started. Asking someone to wait a moment. Please wait here for a minute. Please wait here for a minute. Requesting someone to speak louder. Could you speak a little louder please? Could you speak a little louder please? Asking about the time. Do you know what time it is now? Do you know what time it is now? Offering help to a friend. Let me help you with that bag. Let me help you with that bag. Asking someone to sit down. Please have a seat here. Please have a seat here. Talking about hunger. I am feeling very hungry right now. I am feeling very hungry right now. Talking about being tired. I am really tired after work. I am really tired after work. Asking about someone's hometown. Where are you from originally? Where are you from originally? Asking about family. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Expressing gratitude. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much for your help. Asking for directions. Could you tell me the way to the bus stop? Could you tell me the way to the bus stop? Talking about weather. The weather is so hot today. The weather is so hot today. Talking about studying. I need to study for my exam. I need to study for my exam. Asking about weekend plans. What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? Talking about friendship. I am happy to have a good friend like you. I am happy to have a good friend like you. Talking about daily routine. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. Asking about hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? Expressing agreement. Yes, I completely agree with you. Yes, I completely agree with you. Talking about shopping. I want to buy some new clothes. I want to buy some new clothes. Saying goodbye politely. It was nice talking to you. Goodbye. It was nice talking to you. Goodbye. Great job, friends. Now this is your homework time. Please put the answers comment below. If you like the video, please subscribe now.